and other urban local bodies today was unprecedented amount of lawlessness and fierce psychosis among the common voters, said Tripura Lieutenant Convener Narayan Das. At a press conference along with the CPM State Secretary Jiten Chaudhary, he said these are the outcome of the fascist rule of BJP in Tripura since March 2018, where rule of law has been replaced by Mafia Raj. Since BJP government has assumed office in Tripura, almost all the elected bodies and constitutional institutions have either been toppled down prematurely or the majority of the elected members were compelled to tender their resignation. And all these elected bodies or institutions were occupied by the BJP through the means of rigging in the by-elections. Election of these 19 urban local bodies in Agartala Municipal Corporation were held up for last 1 year without any valid reason, even after its expiry in December 2020. The main reason behind this is the gross isolation of BJP from masses due to their misrule and non-implementation of promises given before the last assembly polls. Following the similar trait of elections held in last 3.5 years of governance, these urban local bodies in Agartala Municipal Corporation election has also witnessed the same scenario, said Narayan Das.
সমস্ত পুলিশের কর্মচারীদের তার সমস্ত অফিসারদের আমরা দোষারোপ করছি না। একটা অংশের ভূমিকা না থাকলে পরে অন্যান্য কয়েকটা যে নগর সংস্থা সেখানে যে ভোট হয়েছে সেই ভোটেও এরা এমন করতে পারতো হয়তোবা কোনো ক্ষেত্রে, কিন্তু ওদের ভূমিকা নির্বাচনের জন্য সদর্থক ভূমিকা কিছুটা ছিল। সুপ্রিম কোর্ট, আমি বলেছিলাম কে শুনবে কার কথা, সুপ্রিম কোর্ট ডাইরেক্টিভস দিয়েছে ত্রিপুরা সরকারের কাছে পর্যাপ্ত আধা সামরিক বাহিনীর সেন্সিটিভ এবং মোস্ট সেন্সিটিভ অতি স্পর্শকাতর এবং স্পর্শকাতর বুথগুলোতে.
According to the left front, the new feature in this civic body's election is that large number of anti-social has been hired from non-voting areas to capture the booths from day before the commencing of the poll. No opposition political party has been given space to exercise their constitutional right in this election. The common voters are also not spared from exercising their voting right, and the State Election Commission and the state police machinery have given up their independent entity and have worked in tandem with the ruling BJP. According to the left front, another new feature of this election is that the Apex Court and the Tripura High Court have also taken cognizance of this large-scale violence and unfairness of the election and have passed orders, certain measures which also were not complied by the government as well as by the State Election Commission. As a result, the fundamental rights of the citizens to elect their representatives to their own choice has once again been dropped off, and the election has been reduced to be a complete mockery at the hand of the BJP. Under these circumstances, the Lieutenant Committee of Tripura demanded to countermand the elections of Agartala Municipal Corporation, Dharmanagar Municipal Council, Khowai Municipal Council, Bilonia Municipal Council and Melaghar Municipal Council. Repolling in wards, namely ward number 4 and 8 and 10 of Panishagar Nagar Panchayat, ward number 2 and 5 of Shabrum Nagar Panchayat, ward number 5 of Shonamura Nagar Panchayat. In continuation to the press handout circulated to the media persons during the press conference held this evening, Left Front stated that it is reviewing its decision to press for the repolling of ward number 4, 8 and 10 of Panishagar Nagar Panchayat. Bureau Report, Halabod.